Girl, you sounded very apprehensive on the phone. What is the matter?
I think I just saw a ghost.
You know you can talk to me, right? What is it?
I saw Ikenna.
Who? Where? How? You saw who?
Ikenna, the same Ikenna you know. I ran into him in a boutique a few minutes ago.
But you know that's not possible, darling. I am definitely sure you were hallucinating or something.
That is what I wanted to believe, but no. He was the one I saw.
You must have seen someone that looks like him. You couldn't have seen Ikenna. You know that. So what is the problem right now? You know I warned you, but you didn't listen. I warned you about your obsession with that guy. I told you it was going to ruin you. Now look at the negative effect it's beginning to have on you. Didn't I warn you? Like, I don't understand. How can you still be mourning a guy after several years? Listen to yourself. Does that make sense to you? I am very, very disappointed, darling.
Wake up. Look at my friends, they're looking very good. It's me. Wonderful. I'm happy to.
Dikeh. The village failure. You're no longer smelling. Is it you?
Haba, uncle. There was never a time I stink. Anyway, it's me, and I thank God for everything. Please, I want to see Ozioma.
Ozioma?
Yeah.
Are you not aware that she's married? She's married though.
Oh yes, so I heard. Just that I want you to help me with her contact.
I don't know if you were listening to me. I just told you that she's married. So what do you need her contact for?
Of course, I know she's married, uncle. She's my friend, and it's not a crime to call her friend, right?
I know that it's not a crime. But I can't.
Uncle, please. There is nothing wrong with having her. I just want to, it's been a while. Like, I'm back right now. I'm meant to like call, how are you and stuff like that. Nothing. It's just to call a friend.
Mba, Kena. I can still remember vividly how you pestered life out of her when she was not married. And you traveled. Now you are back. You want to continue from where you stopped. Mba, I will not agree.
If that's what
you just hold on. I will not be alive and watch you destroy her marriage. I will not.
If that's what you're thinking, it's far from it. I just wanted to have Ozioma's contact and call her up as a friend. That's all. Please, kindly help me with the contact.
It's okay. Let me tell you the truth. I don't have a contact. And that is the truth. Yes, I don't.
Oh, you don't want to give me? Okay, fine. Do you have anyone that has the contact?
Well, since you are insisting, you can go to the palace. You know the king is her father. Go and ask him if he has the contact. But let me warn you, she's married. Stay away from her, okay?
Uncle, we are not quarreling. I just...
I'm saying you're quarreling, but you're looking for contact from somebody who is married. I don't understand. You can go.
Let's go. Let's go.
Hi, Judy. I know you were not expecting me. Come on, it's me.
Ikenna.
Stop acting as if you're seeing a ghost. It's me.
We all thought that you were dead.
Well, I got arrested and jailed for a couple of years, but God came through for me. I just did a few years in jail.
Wow. That's a good news.
Yeah, a testimony rather. So I need Ozioma's contact if you don't mind. And don't tell me you don't have it because I know you both are best of friends.
Why? What for?
Why? I can't believe you just asked me that question. Of course you know who she is to me, yeah?
Okay, now you know the news of your death sentence came as a rude shock to every one of us, especially to her, who couldn't take it. She actually collapsed, was rushed to the hospital, spent weeks in the hospital. After a few weeks, she lost the baby. And it's all your fault. No woman could have survived the trauma. It was so heavy on her.
Oh, shit.
Ikenna, you're crying.
Chuka, you won't understand. You will not understand. This whole thing looks like a dream to me. I had plans with this girl. Promising plans. I have dreams. Missions that we both promised each other that we are going to accomplish together. If someone would tell me that after everything we passed through together, that she will see me and run away, I would never believe it. Chuka, I divided, not even divided. I gave her almost all the money I was meant to travel with to make sure that she took care of herself and the pregnancy. But
Do you believe what that girl said?
what do you mean?
She said Ozoma saw you and ran away.
Yeah.
And up till now, she has not made any effort to find you. Which means there's something she's scared of. If she lost the pregnancy the way her friend claims, then what could that be? What is she hiding?
I don't think Judith will lie about something like that.
Women can be unpredictable. I don't trust that girl. Her lips were shaking when she was talking. Ikenna, calm down until you see Ozema. Okay? Relax. Relax. Cheer up, let's go upstairs.
You had the miserable guts to knock at my door. You stupid fool.
Sorry, my princess. It was a mistake.
And that mistake will kill you there. Useless thing.
Princess or whatever they call you, I have taken enough of your insults in this palace. I am the head guard and you should mind how you talk to us. We are not slaves. We have homes.
How dare you? How dare you speak to the princess of this land in such manner? How dare you? And who made you the head guard in my father's palace? You just spoke about slavery. Don't you know you are a slave? You were born to serve me.
I will leave you and your father's palace. Since you raised your hands and slapped me, my God will judge you. I promise you my God will judge you.
Come back here. Come back here. I said come back here. What have you come here? Miss!
Father, you should school down and take ground in this palace. We have lost our maids and guards all because of attitude. She's my elder sister, and anytime I try advising her, she ends up scolding me.
You mean Uju slapped my head guard and he resigned?
Yes, Father. And others are threatening to resign. Even the maidens.
Where is she now?
I don't know.
Go and search for her everywhere. Tell her to see me now.
Hello, Z. I think we'll have to cancel this meeting. Uzoma, these guys are trailing me. Ikenna and his cousin. They think they want to use me to track you. It seems they didn't believe what I told them. Yes. No, don't worry. Calm down. Don't panic. Leave it for me. I will handle it. Okay? I will make them believe me, okay? Bye. Hey, Oga. Oga? Go.
I don't want to know what happened. But since you don't wait for me to come back, you lay your hands on my head guard. You must go and look for him. Apologize to him and bring him back to the palace now. Otherwise, you will see the other side of me.
But father...
Shut up and do what I ask you to do. Get out!
My beautiful princess. I actually have your sister's number now. But you know I don't have a phone yet. So that's why I've not been able to send it across.
It's my fault. I should have collected it since. Or at least not any of the palace meetings. Papa, I've been having series of nightmares about Sister Uzoma.
Nightmares?
Yes, Papa.
Could it be because of this boy that came back?
Which boy, Papa?
Never mind. I will go in now to give you the number. You know I can't carry it off hand. Okay. So try and call her. Even my daughter Udoka will talk to her also. Okay. So just wait for me. Let me go and bring the number. Beautiful princess.
You also not forget me so easily. Few months after hearing about my supposed death, I married a stranger. Or were they dating when we are together? I just can't place my hands on this. I loved her. I trusted her. And I felt that feeling was mutual. You can't believe that the thought of holding her in my arms once again after all these years was what kept me going. I was devastated to hear Uncle say she got married 5 months. Just 5 months after my departure, Chuka. Was that how little I was meant to her?
That is why I have trust issues with women.
Jesus Christ.
Women love already made men. You hardly see any of them that will stay with you when the going is tough. Sophistication is the bane of today's women. And number one reason why many of them find it difficult is to stay with one man. I'm not surprised. She found a wealthy man and forgot about you. But you see, this issue of your child, we must get to the bottom of this. We must get there.
Sure.
Why are you trailing me? Why am I being followed?
What makes you think we're following you? Huh?
You are following me. You've been following me and you knew it. Do not try to deny it.
He asked a very simple question. Why do you think we've been following you?
Exactly what I'm asking. I've already told you everything you need to know. Why are you still then following me about? What is
Because
it?
you've been suspicious. Your attitude do not track with what you told us. You definitely know something, Judith.
And what makes you think I'll be hiding something from you?
Then it's very simple. Give me her phone number or home address.
I am sorry. I cannot do that. Simply because I have regard for people's privacy. I've warned you. And I will not warn you again. The next time you follow me again, I would report you to the police. Do not say I didn't warn you.
Wait, Judith, are you actually warning me? Judith! Judith!
On no account should you allow anyone to look down on your manhood. When next she raises her hand against you, or against one of the guards, beat her up. So she will know her limit. That does not mean that you should not accord her respect as my daughter, or throw away her respect to the cleaners. Did you hear me? Has she apologized?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Good. Go back to your duty post.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
What is going on here? Who are you? Babe, what is he talking about? You must be out of your mind, young man.
Chuka, I don't like this. I don't like this at all. You should have allowed me handle this.
Calm down. Calm down. Yeah? How will you do it? Kill them, take the child away? No, now.
But they have my son. Are you expecting me to keep quiet?
No one is disputing that. They won't deny it. They won't deny it. The boy even have your look. But this is not the right way. Let's follow due process.
So what's the due process? Take them to court?
No. Far from that. Far from that. Relax, bro.
Scrum, relax. If I name maybe.
You don't see. That guy must have got some nerves to storm into your compound to create such scene. Wait a minute. How on earth did he even find your place?
I still don't understand. The funny thing is that I know nobody followed me while I was driving home. Only for me to get into the compound, and he came in behind me. I can't even tell how he found my own address. This whole thing is causing issues between me and my hubby. He hasn't even spoken to me since that day.
Oh my God. Really?
Yes, and you know this...
My phone.
Hello? Oh, Chizaram. Listen, calm down. I hope there's no problem. What is it? Okay, I'm listening. Okay. It's alright, thank you. Not to worry, I'll send you the address. Alright, bye.
Who was that?
It's Chizara. She said she had terrible dreams about me. I mean, for her to go to the extent of getting my number and placing a call to me. Judith, I'm afraid. I'm afraid something terrible might go wrong. The way I'm looking at it, a life might go down if care is not taken.
But why are they suddenly calling you now?
We've always been talking. I mean, she's the only one who regards me as a sister. Even when my father refused us to stay together. She sneaks out sometimes to give me food. But, Judith, that is not even the issue. That's not why I'm bothered. I'm still worried. I just feel something is wrong for her to have told me this. Anyway, let me wait for her to come.